Hello friends, welcome to you in our chemistry class for 12th. Today we are discussing numerical problem based on integrated rate equation for first order reaction. Our problem is here a reaction is given. In this reaction N2O5 decompose into N2O4 and O2. This is the thermal decomposition of N2O5. This reaction follows first order kinetics and given at initial stage at time t is equal to 0, total pressure of this reaction mixture is 0.58 atm atmosphere. After 100 seconds, this pressure becomes 0.512. This is given the total pressure of reaction mixture and we have to calculate rate constant K. Again I am repeating this question. We have given a thermal decomposition of N2O5. This reaction follows first order kinetics and given at initial state at T equal to 0, total pressure of reaction mixture 0.5 atm, and after 100 seconds the total pressure of reaction mixture becomes 0.512. We have to calculate rate constant K. If the pressure of N2O5 is given, this question was very simple, but in this reaction the total pressure is given of the reaction mixture. So we have to calculate first initial pressure of N2O5 and final pressure of N2O5 first, then we will solve for the rate constant. Again I am repeating, in this question we have to calculate first initial pressure of N2O5 and final pressure of N2O5. It is the pressure of total pressure of reaction mixture. 0.5 is the total pressure of this reaction and 0.512 is total pressure of this reaction. To solve this question, first we write the value of pressure of each component. In initial condition, when T is equal to 0, the pressure of N2O5 P0 and the N2O4 and O2 is not formed. Therefore, the pressure of N2O4 and O2 is 0, 0. In initial stage, the pressure at T is equal to 0, the total pressure is due to N2O5. Therefore, initial pressure of N2O5 is P0 यानी कि 0.58 atmosphere. Again, at T equal to 0, when reaction is not started, only N2O5 is present. N2O4 and O2 is not formed. At that condition, P0 is the initial pressure of the N2O5. After T time, the reaction is 2N2O5 and 2N2O4. So after T time, 2 moles 2x convert into N2O4 and O2. 2x decompose into N2O4 and O2. The pressure of N2O5 becomes P0 minus 2x and the pressure of N2O4 2x and the pressure of O2 becomes x, because the number of moles of N2O5 is 2, number of moles of N2O4 2 and number of moles of O2 1. Therefore, the pressure of N2O5 become P0 minus 2x, because 2 moles of N2O5 decompose into 2 mole of N2O4 and 1 mole of O2. P0 minus 2x is the final pressure of N2O5 and the 2x is the pressure of N2O4 and x is the pressure of O2. Now, initial pressure of N2O5 is P0, which is 0.5 atmosphere given in the question. Now final pressure of N2O5 is P0 minus 2x. Now to calculate the final pressure of N2O5, we have to calculate the value of x. For the value of x, we solve it. The total pressure after 100 seconds is equal to the pressure of N2O5 plus pressure of N2O4 plus pressure of O2. Total pressure given after 100 seconds is 0.512. Now Pt is equal to pressure of N2O5. N2O5 का प्रेशर कितना है? P0 minus 2x. N2O4 का प्रेशर 2x एंड प्रेशर ऑफ O2 x. तो 2x कैंसिल. नाउ द total pressure is equal to P0 plus x. Now the value of x is equal to Pt minus P0. The value of x is equal to Pt minus P0. Pt is total pressure of the reaction mixture. P0 is the initial pressure. Now the value of Pt is 0.512 given in question. Value of P0 is given in question 0.5. Now x is equal to 0.512 minus 0.05. Value of x is 0.012. Now we will calculate the final pressure of N2O5. Final pressure of N2O5 is P0 minus 2x. P0 is 0.5, 2 into x. Value of x is 0.012. Now the final pressure of N2O5 is 0.476. Now this reaction follows the first order kinetics. Therefore the formula of the rate constant K is equal to 2.303 upon T log initial pressure of N2O5 upon final pressure of N2O5. 2.303, T is given 100, value of initial pressure 0.5 and value of final pressure is 0.476. After divide it gives value 1.0504. After taking log A, the value of it become 0.0214. The log of 0.5 upon 0.476 is 0.0214, and after dividing 2.303 by 100 it gives 0.02303. After multiplying these both digits we get 0.0004928, and the value of rate constant becomes 4.93 into 10 to the power minus 4 second inverse. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to you in our chemistry class for